Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Fav.
And I'm Rome.
We're going to be continuing with RWBY, Volume 2, Chapter 3, A Minor Hiccup. What's to say about this episode?
Let's see.
We've got Emerald, Mercury, and Cinder now in Beacon Academy. RWBY having no idea what the hell is about to go on. And the rest of her team agreeing to join up and take down a criminal organization of Roman Torchwick. That's as much as we know for the episode, or at least we know that much of what we're going into leading into this episode. So with that,
Can't wait.
Yep. So with that, I'm gonna shut up. And
please do. All right.
No,
it's okay.
Am I Weiss to you? Am I Weiss to you? Okay.
Come on. So we're gonna get this started.
Yep.
In 3, 2, 1.
I love how this opening is.
Yeah, I do.
And Caleb does this song as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. But out of everything from this opening, I love this specific scene here. The silhouettes going into each other's character.
That's pretty sick.
Yeah. I miss Monty now.
Yeah.
So, Weiss, you know, I was thinking after this, maybe we could go grab a bite to eat? And, you know, well, I've got 2 tickets to that new Spruce Willis movie if you want to make the trip to Vale. I hear it's awesome. And then maybe after that we could study together? I mean, you're smart and I'm you know.
And then timed that one wrong, I guess. Well, the stunning conclusion to the story will have to wait until next time.
Weiss, did you hear me?
No, yes. One day.
I thought that class would never end.
All right, guys, today's the day. The investigation begins!
I'm glad to see we're taking this so seriously.
Hey, we've got a plan. That's moderately serious. Right. Everyone remember their roles? You and I will head to the CCT to check the Schnee records for any other dust robberies or inconsistencies. Seeing as I'm in the family, it shouldn't be a problem.
The White Fang has regular faction meetings to hand out orders and recruit new members. If I can get in, I can hopefully find out what they're planning.
I have an old friend on the shady side of town that typically knows everything going on in Vale. Getting information out of him shouldn't be too hard.
Great, we'll meet up tonight near Yang to go over what we found. Let's do this!
Yeah.
Son! How did you get up there?
It's easy. I do it all the time.
You do what?
I climb trees all the time. So, are we finally getting back at that Torchwick guy?
We are going to investigate the situation as a team.
Sorry, son. We don't want to get friends involved if we don't have to.
That's dumb. You should always get friends involved. That's why I brought Neptune.
Sup?
How did you even get up here?
I have my ways. Seriously though, can I come in? We're like really high up right now.
Weiss, son, you can go with Blake. And Neptune, you can go with Yang since she doesn't have a partner. Everyone good? Actually, RWBY, why don't you go with Yang? After all, she is your sister. But Weiss, who would go with you then?
Well, I guess Neptune could come with me.
Nah. But... I forget how big the transmit tower looks up close. You should see the one in Atlas. That was the first one, right?
Correct. Atlas developed the cross-continental transmit system to allow the 4 kingdoms to communicate with one another. It was their gift to the world after the Great War.
Ooh, look at me. My name is Weiss. I know facts. I'm rich.
Don't be a pest. Besides, the only reason we're here here is because you like the tower so much. We could have just as easily made a call from the library.
I know, but it's so cool. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture. Ah,
Oh. You dropped this.
Penny?
Yay!
Where have you been? We haven't seen you since the night at the docks.
Sorry, I think you're confused. I've got to go.
What was that about? I don't know, but I'm going to find out. You go make your call. I'll meet up with you later. Wait! Penny, where have you been? It's been weeks.
There seems to be a misunderstanding.
What? Penny, is everything okay? Penny, please stop! Look, I don't know what's wrong, but you have to listen to me. Those guys we fought at the docks, we think they're up to something big, something bad. I need you to tell me what happened to you that night. Please, as a friend.
It isn't safe to talk here.
Hello, welcome to the CCT. How may I help you?
I'd like to go to the communications room, please.
Absolutely. Could you please place your scroll on the terminal to verify your identity? Perfect. Thank you, Miss Schnee.
Welcome to the Beacon Cross Continental Transmit Center. How may I help you?
I need to make a call to Schnee Company World Headquarters in Atlas.
Absolutely. If you could head over to Terminal 3, I'll patch you through.
Thank you.
Hi, Mom. How are things back in Signal?
Thank you for calling the Atlas. Oh, Miss Schnee. Good afternoon. Would you like me to patch you through to your father? I think your sister Winter might be here as well.
No, thank you. I was actually wondering if you could find some files for me. I've compiled a short list.
I see. If you don't mind, what may I ask is this for?
School project.
There are some sensitive documents on this list, ma'am.
Well then, I'll be sure to treat them with care.
Right. Very well. The data's being transferred to your scroll now.
Wonderful. That will be all then.
Are you sure you wouldn't like me to patch you through to your father before you go?
Yes, I'm sure.
Well then, have a nice day.
I wish I could help you, Ruby, but I don't know anything about those men.
Well, what happened to you that night? We were all together and then you just disappeared. Were you kidnapped?
Oh, no, nothing like that.
Well, then where did you go?
I've never been to another kingdom before. My father asked me not to venture out too far, but you have to understand, my father loves me very much. He just worries a lot.
Believe me, I know the feeling. But why not let us know you were okay?
I was asked not to talk to you, or Weiss, or Blake, or Yang. Anybody, really.
Was your dad that upset?
No, it wasn't my father.
The AK-130 has been the standard security model of Remnant for several years. And they have done a fine job, wouldn't you agree? Wouldn't you agree? But the Kingdom of Atlas is a kingdom of innovation. And fine? Well, that's just not good enough, is it? Presenting the Elysian Knight. 200. Smarter, sleeker, and admittedly, a little less scary. These models will become active later this year, but they won't be alone. Now, the Atlesian military has always supported the idea of removing men from the dangers of the battlefield. However, there are still many situations that undoubtedly require a human touch.
Ruby?
So, our kingdom's greatest minds, in cooperation with the Schnee Dust Company, are proud to introduce the Atlesian Paladin. Now, we couldn't have them here for you today, but these mechanized battleships will be seen defending the borders of our kingdom within the year.
Ruby, maybe we should go somewhere else. Penny? Wait! Where are you going?
Down here. She went this way.
This way!
Damn.
Holy smokes. Oh my god.
That poor old man.
Yeah,
He
I
can't
know.
catch a break.
Oh. That was insane.
Do you think she's okay?
Penny, come back!
Call the police? Did she stop that whole affair?
Penny! Please! What is going on? Why are you running? How did you do that? I can't. Everything's fine. I don't want to talk about it. Penny, if you can just tell me what's wrong, I can help you. No, you wouldn't understand. Let me try. You can trust me. You're my friend, right? You promise you're my friend? I promise. Ruby, I'm not a real girl. Oh.
Oh, I knew it. So, she is a robot?
Yes, she is.
I knew it.
Yep.
Oh, prediction has come true. Oh.
So I'm pretty sure, yeah, it was during 1516. When you were going on about it, I didn't edit this in the video, but I wanted to do that whole Joey, like, eyes popping, like,
Yeah.
oh shit, she knows.
Or she knows. You know when Chandler says it?
Yeah.
She knows. Oh,
So-
wow. Well, you know what? It's, even though that now whatever prediction was correct, what I don't know is why was she built? Or why was she, put into existence?
That is true. So I'm not going to give you that answer because obviously that's spoilers.
Yeah.
It's, I guess, very subtle that General, as much as he likes his soldiers, he also wants to save lives on it in the process.
Yes.
And has his own robotic army in the process.
Yep.
And now he's starting to come out with a, I think he called it the Elysian Paladin.
Mm-hmm.
That, honestly, it just reminds me of, like, the big bad machine from the first RoboCop movie.
Yeah, it does. It does. Very RoboCop feel.
Penny was kind of ordered to not keep contact with everybody, as if she's still trying to be hidden from the government's eyes, but you can still see, just like Pinocchio, yearning for a friend, yearning to have someone to connect to, but someone that would treat her not like a robot now and everything, but to still treat her as if she was human, no different than Faunus.
I know, and even being a robot in herself, she still has those emotions, those feelings, right? which I thought was pretty cool.
I think from this entire episode, Ruby's got to be the most MVP out of this entire episode.
Yes.
Not only, confronting her friend when something's wrong, but also cock-blocking her teammate.
Yeah. Yeah, a little bit. I'm curious to see how RWBY will now take this information, now knowing that that she's a robot.
Yeah.
Or not real, so it'll be interesting to see how that plays out.
We've kind of neglected John on this, but did you...
Oh, poor John, but he just keeps trying and failing.
Yeah.
So, but you know what, good things come to those who wait, and I do think that good things are going to happen for him, so...
I liked how Yang just gave him a pat on the head, being like, give it time.
Yeah. Well, see, exactly. He means well. He's just such a good soul. Like, he makes me so happy when I see him. So.
Aside from when Weiss had to go to the communication tower, or there was a call that she was taking all the way to Atlas, and she was talking with reception at her father's company, and ignoring both her father and her sister.
Yes.
For a call. I like the reflection of herself. Like, she feels a little bad about not keeping in contact with her family and everything. You kind of see that at the end call. Just a look in her face through the mirror screen.
Yes. It was nice to see her a little bit vulnerable for even just a second, because, she always wants to come off as this big, strong, nothing can hurt her type of person. But to see her in that moment, in that little bit of vulnerability, just kind of makes you, realize that she is only human too, and she means well. So
yeah,
it'll be great to see.
Anything else you want to predict what's to happen?
Well, for her to be able to stop the van the way she did, and it's right then and there, I'm like, okay, something definitely different about her. They gave her some amazing powers and abilities.
It's one thing to say that you gave a robot an actual personality, one that understands and does its own thing. So it's kind of like in a way that it's like they created an AI of its own.
Yes.
But there is still one secret that is about that, and you were hitting the nail on the dot. There is still something else about her that has not been revealed yet.
Definitely can see that.
And obviously, I'm the Good Samaritan. I'm definitely not going to tell you. And fans, please don't tell her either. Yes, your hand is pretty. I know.
No spoilers.
No spoilers.
No, I think everybody can appreciate that. So
yeah, and I will speak on this as well. Those that have been watching our videos, thank you so much for not spoiling anything for Rome.
Yes.
And I'm doing my part, trying not to.
Well, eventually when I am all caught up, I don't know how far into, because you're watching season 7 right now, correct?
Season 8 right now.
Oh, season 8. Wow.
Yeah,
okay.
Volume 8 is actually Volume 8. The new episodes just started up now. I haven't seen it yet, so I'm probably gonna get to that on Monday.
Well, hopefully I'll catch up soon enough that even if it's before or after season 8 is done, that if there is another volume after that, that we can definitely watch that together, and that way, you'll be wondering just as much as I am what's going to happen.
During that time, we're both going to have reactions where we're both at the edge of our seat. We're going to just be like, shh, shut up.
No, I like that. I think that'll be fun. I can't wait. So I'm going to try. I'm going to try to catch up as fast as I can.
Yeah. Due to scheduling and everything, we really only record one day of the week because it's the only time we really have like we try to keep one day aside where we can just relax and not have to worry about videos or anything. 5 days we have to go to work, and the other day we spend it for recording. So really we do this at our own pace. We do apologize if it's taking longer than usual, but our method is that we do try to do a couple episodes for 1 week, so there's more stuff to edit along the way. Next week, we do have other subscribers to our channel and everything. To put in perspective, just close to around 30% of our viewers are from the United States, and they're probably majority of you are the ones who are our subscribers for watching RWBY and everything. We have a lot of subscribers that are overseas and everything that enjoy our Try Not to Laugh challenges, and we want to cater to them as well because they're just as equally responsible for the amount of subscribers and support and love that they've given us to want to do these videos as well, and we don't want to leave them hanging in the process. So we'll still extend this message to you, the RWBY fans, as much as we've extended it to those who have seen our Try Not to Laugh challenges in the process. If there's anything that you'd like us to watch in the future, let us know in the comments below. We'll take a look at it. All we ask is make sure it's not from Netflix, otherwise we're going to get that copyright strike and it's not going to be allowed, and that's just going to take more time for us to try and release a video and everything. But with that, I've pretty much said a mouthful there.
I was going to say, you done?
Yeah.
I love you.
Do you? But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already,
Yes.
and we will see you in the next video.
All right, take care, stay safe.
Have a good one.
Bye.